I recently bought this so I can heat water without having to constantly boil water for cleaning. I was amazed that device works well. It doesn't take very long to heat up water at all. This device took about 5 minutes to 5 gallons of water warm, and about 9 minutes for the small bathtub to heat to a decent temperature. Highly recommend this water heater. So we'll have to purchase another one. Amazing. Been using this thing for over a month every single day, multiple times a day. Heats up a 5-gallon bucket in few minutes. Definitely going to buy another one. Worth it. Easy to use. Add water to the faceplate first, and then completely immerse the device in the water. Plug in the power again. Wait for a moment. Finally, use the matching water temperature meter to test the water temperature and unplug the plug. Just take out the device is done. This is really a nice heat water. This water heater is very convenient and fast. It can boil water very fast. Put the water heater in the water and the water will boil in a few minutes. I read the instructions that the plugs and wires are injection molded and are safe from electric shock. If the weather gets cold, it can be used to heat foot water, bath water, etc. In short, very convenient. This is an excellent product for warming your pool, bathtub, pretty much any container of water. Great for summer days or even cold winter nights. It's easy to use, just immerse the device in the water at the proper level and plug it in. It does have an auto shut-off function and a ground wire for added safety. Also, the guard around the heating element is a great safety feature. I highly recommend this if you are looking for a safe, durable, and fast submersible water heater. Click link in description for more reviews and best price.